Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you're ready for another kindergarten number story. As usual, please make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil to participate in problem solving our number story. Let's get ready. During today's number story kindergarten, we will be practicing joining two parts together to find the whole. Kindergarten, do you like going to the park? I do too. I like to go to the park on sunny days and walk my dog. Well, yesterday I was walking through the park and I counted 10 big trees. And as I was walking along, I saw 8 more baby trees being planted. How many trees are in the park all together? Kindergarten, let's reread our story so we can listen for important information that we need to problem solve. There were 10 trees in the park. 8 more trees were planted. How many more trees are in the park now? Kindergarten, what important numbers did you hear in that number story? Did you hear 10 and 8? Me too. 10 represents the 10 big trees that were in the park, and 8 represents the 8 new trees that were being planted. We want to find out how many trees there are all together in the park. So our next step has to be to draw our picture. Let's get our pencil and our piece of paper out so that we can draw our story. We know that there are 10 big trees and 8 new baby trees that are being planted. Let's pause the video and draw our story. Kindergarten, I drew my number story, but I'm having a really hard time finding the two parts. Do you have a suggestion for me? Oh my goodness! You're right, kindergarten. I should have organized my story into a 5 group. Let me try again. Thanks for your help. I don't know what I would do without you. Kindergarten, did you organize your story in a 5 group? Good job. Remember, you didn't have to draw trees because this isn't an art class. It's okay to use circles. Just make sure you did some circles that were colored in and maybe some circles that were clear. Now, remember in the story, there were how many big trees? 10. A 5 group of 10 has 5 at top and 5 at the bottom. Let's count all together. Will you count with me? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then in our story, we heard that there were 8 baby trees that were planted. Here are the 8 baby trees. 8 in a 5 group has 5 at top and 3 at the bottom. Let's confirm or check by counting. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how nice and organized our counting is? Now we can clearly see the two parts to this number story. These two parts can go in our number bond, and then we can find the whole next. Kindergarten, our learning target said that we were going to practice bringing two parts together to find the whole. We not only used a 5 group to organize our counting, but we can also use a number bond to organize our parts and then find our whole. So if we put 10 and 8 together, what will our whole be, kindergarten? Have you figured that out yet? Let's see what you came up with. Kindergarten, in order to find the whole, we have to bring our two parts together and count them all together. Count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is our whole. 10 big trees plus 8 new trees planted makes 18 trees all together. So 18 goes in our whole. Now we can finish off our equation. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Part plus part equals the whole. Kindergarten, great job today. As always, kiss your brain. I will see you tomorrow. Remember to have some fun in the sun, and I'll see you soon. Have a good day.